Hello student, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Here is question from JEE Advanced 2022 based on complex number. The question is saying that let Z be a complex number with non-zero imaginary part if 2 plus 3Z plus 4Z square upon 2 minus 3Z plus 4Z square is a real number, then the value of mod Z square is. So student, here it is given that 2 plus 3Z plus 4Z square over 2 minus 3Z plus 4Z square is a real number. Since you know that a real number in a real number, its conjugate is equal to the complex number. Okay, in a real number, conjugate of the number is equal to the complex number. So we write it as 2 plus 3Z plus 4Z square over 2 minus 3Z plus 4Z square equal to 2 plus 3Z bar conjugate plus 4Z bar square upon 2 minus 3Z bar plus 4Z bar square. Okay, now we cross multiplied this on cross multiplication. Multiplication 2 plus 3Z plus 4Z square into this 2 minus 3Z bar plus 4Z bar square equal to 2 plus 3Z bar plus 4Z bar square into 2 minus 3Z plus 4Z square. Now multiplying this, so 2 into 2, this is 4 plus 2 3 ja 6Z plus 2 4 ja 8Z square. Now 3 2 ja 6 Z bar plus 3 3 ja 9 Z bar plus 3 4 ja 12 Z bar Z square. Now multiplying with 4 Z bar, so 4 2 ja 8 Z bar square, 4 3 ja 12 Z bar square, 4 4 ja 16 Z square Z bar square. Okay, now the next term is right side is 2 2 ja 4 plus 2 3 ja 6 Z bar plus 2 4 ja 8 Z bar square minus 3 2 ja 6 Z minus 9 Z bar 9 Z bar minus 12 Z bar square plus 8 Z square plus 4 3 ja 12 Z bar Z square plus 4 4 ja 16 Z bar square Z square. Now we cancel the terms from which are same from both sides. So 4 4 cancel, 6Z here 6Z is negative, so it is not cancelled. 8Z square here 8Z square is also cancelled. Okay, and 9z bar here, 9z bar also cancel. 8z bar square here, 8z bar square is also cancelled. 16z bar, this is also cancelled. Now what is left? 8z bar here. Okay, now we write 6z minus 6z, so this is 12z. Okay, and 6z bar minus 6z bar, here also 6z bar, so we take it as 12z bar, and 12z bar is z square, and there is also 12z bar square, 12z bar square and minus 12z bar square, so we write it as 24z bar square minus 24z bar z square equal to 0. We take in one side. Okay, now we solve it. That 12z bar, we take 12 common from this, so z minus z bar, 24z bar from this, so this is z bar minus z equal to 0. 12 is divided in all the sides, so we got z minus z bar, this is 2z bar, z bar minus z equal to 0. Now we take negative common from this bracket, so z minus z bar minus 2z bar, z minus z bar equal to 0. Z minus z bar is common in both steps, so this is 1 minus 2z bar equal to 0. Okay, since complex number has non-zero imaginary part, it means z minus z bar, that z does not equal to z bar. Complex conjugate of the number does not equal to the given number. Okay, non-zero imaginary part. Okay, so we put 1 minus z bar, 1 minus 2z bar, this is the second part, 1 minus 2z bar equal to 0, and this is equal to 2z bar, therefore z bar equal to 1 by 2, or it is the whole square of mod z, which is 1 by 2, it is 0.5. So 0.5 is the answer of this question. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel and make comment for any query or doubt. Thanks for watching.